Ayoko na. Hell knows. Ano yan? Tonight?
Tonight is the only.
Sabi mo dyan. Tonight, ano yan?
Mag-grocery tayo, babe. Gagawa kang steak, ha? Shit. Your hair is so silky and strong and anti-frizzy and anti-radioactive cockroach chemical and sugar mommy forward tire mineral water bottle. Sheesh. The day you said good night. The day you say good night.
Yun din. Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung matasat. Take me as you were. Push me off the road. The sun is I need to shine to be with you. I'm freezing in the sun. I'm burning in the rain. The silence I'm screaming, calling out your name. At you, a shining light. Put out a fire when the shadow of your shadows. That's what I'll do if we say goodbye. It's all I could be, and all that I say, and all that I need this time. Tell me the life you gave me, the day you said goodbye. Say bagay niya.
Lahat na lang. Tumayo daw balahibo niyo. Natatayan.
Tatay.
Natatayan. No.
Huwag mo ako.
Dito, tingin pa lagi. Dito lagi tingin.
Try ba? Ah.
Ikaw, no?
Oh, ikaw ah. Nilalapit mo na talaga. Pag ikaw, kinis ko na talaga. Tignan mo. Hindi pwede. Parang mag-tropa lang tayo. Gusto mo ba? Sabihin mo lang kung gusto mo na totohanin. Para totoo. Gusto mo na talaga. Hindi, pero gusto mo nga ako.
Obvious ba?
Oo, wala to.
Wala pa.
Crush mo na ako pa.
Muna ako?
Oo, crush mo na ako. Oo, una pa lang crush mo na ako, tinatago mo lang talaga.
Sino ba unang nag-first move?
Ako nag-first move kasi gusto kita maging ate, pero
Uwi ka na.
joke lang, ayoko. Okay lang din pa. Lahat naman talaga ng utang, minsan di nababayaran.
Sorry kung natamaan ko yung ribs mo.
Parang ano ba yan? Gulo mo rin eh, no? Ate, ano ba yan?
Maka-ate ka, parang di ka poging-pogi.
Kuya na lang. Tingnan mo. Pagkapagpapita mo na wala yung filter. Sabi ko na ako itong makeup tuloy yun. No, diba? Mas malinaw. Mas malinaw na hanggang mag-ate lang tayo.
Alam ko ng Justin Bieber. okay.
I just wanna give you some
Niloloko-loko mo yung kanta ko.
Baby, tell me what you see. Oh, kanta yung mga kanta ko?
Hindi naman ako sabi.
Para sa'yo na yun. Burado na yun.
Broker.
Hindi. Okay.
Kakantay ko kanta mo. Cause it's summertime, I'm putting my...
Hindi yan. Wala to sa Eminem ngayon.
Where to?
Hindi!
Keep moving in.
Yung ako yung may sulat! Dali na.
Alam mo yung kanta mo, parang patch. Patch.
Patch. Sinong patch?
Si Patch yung simula pa nung una, hindi na.
Layo-layo?
Hindi, parang ganun yung mga bagay.
Nagsimula to sa asaran hanggang sa nakakailangan dahil sa ating tinginan. Pero
Ayoko kung pinakanta mo yan kasi hindi naman ako katinginan mo.
Okay, para sa lahat yun, relatable kasi yun. Kung baga, ikaw gumagawa ka ng content.
Yung aking ginawa ko para sa'yo.
O, para sa'yo din yun. Burado na lahat ng alaala. Lahat ba ng ginawa natin ngayon, di nyo nagawa?
Hindi kita maintindihan.
Kumbaga, pag dinala mo ako sa lugar na dinala mo kung saan mo siya dinala, o bakit? Siya yung mo naman dinala doon.
Ay, single ako since birth.
Okay, ako din eh.
Oo.
Saan pala tayo?
Oo, hindi naman ka-jowa or anything.
Gana lang.
Baka ikaw nga maging first ko eh. Hindi ba my girlfriend?
Ate naman.
Bunso naman eh, di makinig, di para ka namang ano so eh.
Yoko, nangaaway ka eh. Di pa tayo, nangaaway ka na.
At least nakita mo ang toxic side ko.
I love your flaws.
You're flawless. In my bag, no, not there, in the side, yeah.
Jeff, kanta ka na.
Sige.
Okay, paano to inaano?
Manahimik ka.
Dali, diba gaganyanin mo?
Ganyan, ang asan eh. Tayo ka, ganyan.
Oh.
Diba, ito yung ano mo. Gaganunin mo. Tapos gaganunin mo. Tapos gaganunin mo.
Okay. Papasok ko yung pinakahanggang dulo.
Sa anus mo, ha? Alam nyo, mag-tampons din.
Pagka ganun mo, aanok mong ganun.
Oo.
Or pagkapasok, ipababa ko to.
Oo. Ganyan, dalawang kamay. Ako kasi sanay na ako yan. Ganon, gaganon mo. Tapos, basta ipasok mo yung ganon.
Ang sakit. Wala ka bang ano?
Ako na lang.
Lubricant?
Alam nyo, tampons is the most comfiest. Ano gabi? Bakit naaalala ko? Di ko malimot pa sa atin ay nagdaan. May bago akong favorite song. Kung kailangan ba ay kailangan ba
840 grams, 300 pesos na lang.
Di ba masakit? Hindi masakit yan. Hindi masakit yan. Ito nga, napapasok nyo, di ba? Minsan nga, ito pa, di ba? Takot kayo sa tampons para naman kayo mga bungal yun. sa'yo.
Clue. Travel, hotels, leisure. Install and go.
Paano pag namatay siya? Sorry, di ko sadya. Sorry. Saan na yung isang mic?
Ito. Ito akin. Akin. Yung sa mga asap. Ganda sa mga asap. Ano yung audience sila? Kuwari love team kami sa asap. Baby, I'd give up anything to travel inside you. Ayun na. Love of my life. Love of my life.
She's itinerary. Travel deals, flights, and more. Go cheaper.
Kiling ko money. Sabi niya,
Okay, ikaw muna yung lalabas dyan pag ganyan. Ay, hindi tayo mag-umisa sa ano.
lalabas ang tinggil, guys!
Ikaw, wala lalabas dyan. Okay.
Kunwari nakatayo na ako, guys. Hi, everyone! Kamusta ka?
Papihin naman, ano ba? Bakit hindi ko na yung mic ko, ha? Wala kayo.
Ano na? To dream the impossible dream.
So, let us all welcome Amanda is so kakaya ang ikaw ay South Burger. Let us all welcome. Kapag ganyan yung sa birthday party, di ko babayan. Okay. Happy birthday, everyone. So welcome. Welcome. Eh, palakpakan naman ay dyan.
Aray ko! Aray!
Patingin.
Bubulwak. Patay mo na yan. Kaya tamad na ako.
Nasa akin na.
Pinatayin ako. And then, bulwak guys. At na makita ka.
Sigla aking
Nararamdaman na ba ito? Ako'y nangangamba. Patayin, di na naman nagsisend.
nais kong ipagtapat sa'yo.
Yun, Lichon. Thank you, Lichon.
Ay, bahin mo, inihin ng puso nito.
Kahit na tayo magkaibang mundo,
Ikaw nga ang siyang hanap-hanap.
kay tagay nangarap,
Lumuluhod,
Regine Velasquez ka na ba?
ako'y mahalin.
Sumasabaw.
Ikaw nga ang siyang magbabago
Sa
aking buhay. Handang iwanan ang lahat.
upang magkapiling ka.
Kulot na.
Thank you, MJ!
Ganda na yung Disney princess.
sige.
Di ka Disney World. A whole new world. Ikaw si Jasmine, ha?
Sige.
Ako si Aladdin.
Ako lang.
Disney boys talaga, ha?
With a science number one non-dairy milk brand.
Donald Duck yan ah.
Ay! It's Mickey Mouse! I can show you the
Mali yung
shimmering splendid. Tell me, prince. Ikaw nga si Jasmine. Let your heart decide. Ikaw na yan. Ay, ako na. I can ako pa rin yan eh. Take you wonder by wonder, over sideways and under on a magic carpet.
Hindi ko alam.
Alam mo to?
Ano yan?
Ako, di.
Part of your world.
Ako, magka-girl tayo dito. Sige. Ikaw si Flander, no? Kita man ng ano ko.
Ng anak mo?
Anik-anik ko.
Undescribable feeling soaring.
Maybe he's right. Maybe there's something the matter with me. I just don't see how a world would make such wonderful things could be bad. Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think of the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cover and hold? Looking around there, you think. Ayusin mo, kita ng boses mo, sobra eh. Uy. I've got couches and gizmos and I've got putzes and putzes galore. One thing I'm a boss, I get 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around in those, what do you call them? Oh, hey. You don't get too far. It's not required for jumping, dancing, strolling around and going. What's the word? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day and dance under free wish. I could be part of your world. What would it give if I could live out of this waters? What would I pay to spend a day away in the sun? Bet someone they understand, but they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright women, sick of swimming, ready to stand.
Nagkakamali-mali na tayo. Kasi mga comment na, wow, perfect. Amazing.
Frozen, sagutan ni Elsa tsaka ano. Frozen. Up where they walk. Ito, sagutan nila.
Hindi mo alam kung nalaro ko na.
So, and Anna.
Yung kahit ma-peer pa, no? Perfect, amazing voice. Joy. Thank you, Joy.
High School Musical. Nanonood ka High School Musical?
Oo. All you need is another.
Si ano to, si Anna tsaka Elsa. Ako na lang si Elsa. Ikaw yan. Let's go. Babae sila pareho.
Anymore. You won't know the time since I celebrate. Please around the empty halls. Wave a ballroom with no walls. Finally, they're opening up the gates. Di ko na alam yan. Little bit told it's strange. Why am I so ready for this change? 'Cause for the first time in forever, there'll be magic, there'll be light. 'Cause for the first time in forever, I'll be dancing through the night. Don't know if I'm silly to look at it, but I'm somewhere in the zone. 'Cause for the first time in forever.
Cute. Eh, maligaw din yun. Marami. Double.
Down. Tonight, imagine me gown on top. My jean drape against the wall. The picture of sophisticated grace. And suddenly see him standing there. Beautiful stranger, tall and fair. I wanna stuff some chocolate in my But when the 11 o'clock evening, we just started bizarre. Nothing like the life of not too far for the first time. Ang tagal mo ah. I could notice by someone, and I know it's sort of crazy to dream I didn't know it. I'm in forever. At least I've got the chance. Don't let them in. Don't let them see. Okay. Be a good girl, you always have to be. Don't you feel? Put on a show. Ano ba yan? Make one move and everyone will know. But it's only for today. It's agony to wait. But open up the gate. Kamali tayo. For the first time, tatagdala ko dyan. In a lonely world, a chance to find true love. I know it'll end tomorrow. Sorry sa anak mo, sorry. Ayun na lang, yung ano na lang, silang dalawa ni yung lalaki. Reflection. Nasa mo na lang tayo. Into the unknown! Into the unknown! Yan, maganda.
Ader, pasabi sa anak mo kung tama ba kami.
Eh, panood dito sa mga anak nyo, guys. Tingnan natin. Baka malay maging idol kami.
Ako na dyan, bigyan mo ko ng part.
Ay,
Tignan mo! Ito di unknown daw.
doon ako sa ano, sa chorus ako. Bumubulok eh.
Bumubulwak.
Ba, Jay? Hindi. Ano ba? Hindi ka ba? Ikaw. Oo. Hindi, nararamdaman ko.
Anong kulay lang ng orange mo?
Red. May blue bang?
Bubo.
Grabe, makabubo ko naman.
Ganun di ba pag malamig? Ayan na siya, yun na. But I'm blocking out your goals. I had my adventure. I don't
Sige.
need some new. I'm afraid of what I'm risking if I follow you.
Into the unknown. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. May kaskas pa! What do you want? What do you want? Cause you've been keeping me
Cause you've been
awake.
keeping me awake. Are you here to distract me so I can make a big mistake?
Are you someone out there who's a little bit like me?
You know, takin maganda.
I'm not where I'm meant to be. Every day's a little harder as I feel my power grow. Don't you know there's part of me that longs to go into the unknown, into the unknown, into the unknown. Into the unknown. Oh, are you out there? Do you know me? Can you feel me? Can you show me?
yung katabi sa open door daw.
Sige, sige.
Ayan.
Love is an open door. WW, that's kind of fun. Okay, can I just say something crazy?
I love crazy.
All my life has been a series of doors in my face. And then suddenly I bump into you.
I was thinking the same thing. I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. And it's about it that you're talking, all the chocolate fondue.
But with you, I see your face. And it's not like I've ever known before. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. With you.
With
you.
With you.
Love is an open door.
Masaya ka? I mean, it's crazy.
What?
We finished each other.
Sandwiches.
That was I was gonna say.
Never met someone who thinks so much like me. Jinx, jinx it in. Love to synchronization.
Can't help but explanation.
And I will just manage to be. Say goodbye.
Sign of the past.
We don't have to
Feel it anymore. Love is an open door.
love is an open
Life can be so much more
with you.
with you.
With you.
With you.
Love is an open door.
Can I say something crazy? Will you marry me?
Yes. Yeah.
We don't have to feel it anymore. Kanina ba tayo live? So, iyakin na siya.
Zing US copy.
Ayan siya.
Malpel na ang tissue. Dun-dunan yung manok. Kinikilig ka na. Kinikilig mo.
I was in the wind with so true. I'm about confession naman.